I have been having extreme problems with that and that. Because of that graphics card, I had a power dip 2 days ago where that RTX card of mine, the only thing that worked was HDMI. All 3 display ports was broken. So what I did is I struggled the whole day. Many internet posts in any case. So the solution was 30 seconds that you plug out the display port, you keep it in there, but you plug it out over here together with the power cable, and after 30 seconds you plug it back in. I did this the whole day yesterday, nothing worked, but I tried it on the TV. A few minutes ago I tried it on my actual PC screen, which got a display port, HDMI and a D-sub. So what I did is I entered the D-sub cable with a converter, D-sub converter to display port. I tried this one first, second, last. I usually plug it in this one, but it's working. My freaking screen is working. I am so glad. It brought me a lot of distress. PC stuff ain't cheap, eh? Okay, but yeah, I had to share that. Okay, but my other problem now is my LAN port doesn't work. Luckily I've got Wi-Fi motherboard, but my LAN port is dead. But my 3 display ports is working now together with my HDMI. Thank you.